at least cemento to wear my soldiers and the countless and at saka yung mga tausog na walang their lives snapped out. Honorary Senator. May 2 taon pa ako. Ayaw ko kung ano ang magawa ko talaga. But you know, when you go into a fighting, may galit na yan. Mahirap ito arigluhin kasi lahat may sugat na sa puso. And it would take more than a generation to do this. I hope that any one of my children